Hello everybody, my name is Bryan and today I'm going to talk about Archaeopteryx. Now, you may be wondering what an Archaeopteryx is. Well, for our starters, it's not a what. It's an animal. Oh, extinct. Its name means ancient wing. How big was it for an ancient wing animal? From head to tail, it was 50 centimeters. Archaeopteryx had a diet of bugs, and it loved rotten carcasses, not because it's rotten, because of the insects are attracted to rotten meat. It's a really good thing for Archaeopteryx's nutrients. Now, Archaeopteryx, people don't know if Archaeopteryx flied or glided. Glided is if you have wings, but when you spread them out, you jump from elevation, and you are going through the air without flapping your wings. Flying is similar to a bird. If you've seen a bird, of course you have seen a bird at least once in your life, right? Right, everyone? So they flap their wings. Archaeopteryx has a reversed toe, perfect for living in trees. And it does live in trees. Yes, it does live in trees. Archaeopteryx lived in Europe in the Jurassic period, about 150 million years ago. Oh. Archaeopteryx also had predators like pterosaurs, or like pteranodons, and other pterosaurs. Pterosaurs are animals like a pteranodon, which have thin membranes of skin. Membrane is thin skin, and then they fly with using those. They don't have feathers. They are not dinosaurs. They are giant reptiles soaring to the sky. Archaeopteryx had raptor-like hunting claws, as for grabbing its prey. A long feathered tail, of course, wings, and a mouth. When Archaeopteryx was discovered, some people thought it was a similar dinosaur called Compsognathus. But later, research discovered that it's Archaeopteryx, so they named it Archaeopteryx. One guy wanted to rename Archaeopteryx after the mythical griffin. The mythical griffin is an animal which doesn't exist, but in people culture, people appreciate it in their culture. You can find different cultures around the world. Archaeopteryx also was a carnivore, since it ate bugs. Yeah, bugs. It might sound gross to you, but it's actually quite a Some people actually do eat bugs, even scorpions in China. Archaeopteryx was the size of a raven, and it's a kind of bird. Archaeopteryx resembled a small, meat-eating dinosaur in many of its features, such as the mouth with teeth. The flying muscles were anchored to Archaeopteryx's large breastbone, which you can find in birds. It had strong rear legs for running. That's all for today, everyone. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we post a new video. Bye!
Archaeopteryx, a bird-like flying dinosaur. Archaeopteryx, with a mouthful of teeth. Archaeopteryx, a long bony tail and then 2 feathered wings and 3 claws on each. Archaeopteryx, from the Jurassic period. Archaeopteryx, been found fossilized. Archaeopteryx of the Maniraptora. Archaeopteryx just about crow size. Running high, flap those wings. No one knows if it could fly. Running high, flap those wings. Did it ever get up to the sky? Archaeopteryx, bird-like flying dinosaur. Archaeopteryx with a mouth full of teeth. Archaeopteryx, a long bony tail.